Hello viewers, welcome once again to our channel. I am happy to present this stunning 4-bedroom house at Nmai Dzorn. Nmai Dzorn is between Accra and East Legon Hills and it's just about 15.2 kilometers from the Kotoka International Airport, which translates to about 25 minutes drive time. This house has 3 bedrooms in the main building and a 1-bedroom staff quarters, which is fully detached behind the house. It also has a security post and it is being sold fully furnished. So this is the living area. The kitchen has a storeroom that we didn't get the opportunity to see. The asking price of this home is $210,000 and it's less than a minute's drive from the main road or the Melcom at Nmai Dzorn. All the rooms have their full bathrooms. The unit is being sold as is. And the price is inclusive of all the furniture. So it has 3 bedrooms in the main house and then a fully detached staff quarters behind. So this is the second living room. It also has a balcony overlooking the compound and a beautiful garden that the home offers. Now let's get to there. This is the study. Could be used for a home office or a prayer room. And then this is the primary bedroom. Generously sized. With 2 closet spaces. Additional closet space. And then the primary bedroom also has a balcony. Thank you so much for watching.